Hi viewers, welcome to Homestyle Cooking with me, Priya. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very simple yet easy chicken dry fry. Let's get cooking. So to make the chicken dry fry, we're going to dry some spices. So I've taken cumin, cinnamon sticks and cardamom, dry red chilies, coriander seeds, fennel seeds and peppercorns. Fry for about 2 minutes. There's a really nice smell of all the spices. To this now I'm going to add shredded coconut. We're going to fry this for about 30 seconds. Now I've turned off the stove. Now I'm going to grind this into a fine paste once it's cooled down a bit. As you can see, I've made this into a fine paste. I'm just going to keep this aside for the moment, and now we'll add the oil. To the same pot, I'm going to add about 6 teaspoons of oil. Now to this, I'm going to add chopped ginger and garlic. Next to this, I'm going to add chopped onion. Next to this, I'm just adding some curry leaves. Now the onions have become slightly brown. To this, I'm going to add my chicken. Just adding half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric. Now I'm just going to decrease the flame and close this for about 5 minutes and just let it cook on low flame. Now that it's cooked for about 5 minutes, I'm going to add the paste that I grinded before. Now I'm just going to close the lid again for about 5 minutes for all the masala to cook well. Now the chicken's cooked for about 5 minutes with the masala. As you can see, all the gravy is nicely mixed with the chicken. I'm just going to be stirring like this for about the next 2 minutes. Now the chicken looks ready to be plated up. There we go viewers, my chicken dry fry is ready. I can't wait to try this with some roti. This will also be a really good side dish for rice and sambar. If you've liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Homestyle Cooking. Please try the recipe and leave your comments below. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. This is Priya signing off.